This is Dr. Kevin Jefferson, Chair of the Pediatric Medicine and Surgery Section of the National Medical Association. We are enlisting your support of the Amputation Reduction and Compassion Act, or ARC Act. This bill was first introduced in 2023 by the late Representative Donald Payne Jr. of the 10th District of New Jersey. LaMonica MacGyver succeeded him in that very seat. She took up the mantle and reintroduced the bill in 2025. Here's Representative MacGyver on the House floor.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to announce that on Friday, I was proud to introduce the Amputation Reduction and Compassion, or ARC Act, to help combat preventable amputations brought on by peripheral artery disease, also known as PAD. The ARC Act will save lives and reduce amputations by ensuring high-risk Medicare and Medicaid recipients have access to PAD screenings at no additional cost. Lowering costs will allow for better screening, earlier detection and treatment, and remove cost-prohibitive barriers to care. This bill is very special to me as it was first introduced by my predecessor, the late Rep. Donald Payne Jr. I am honored to ensure his work for better, more accessible care and his legacy are carried on with the ARC Act. With the co-leadership of Reps. Jackson and Kelly, I am proud to introduce the ARC Act to save limbs, reduce patient costs, and save lives.
There are 42 co-sponsors of the bill as of this date, January 6, 2026. Co-sponsors are important because the more co-sponsors there are to support a bill, the more likely it is to pass. And more co-sponsors means more bipartisanship. There are 17 physicians and nurses currently in the House of Representatives. Not one of them have co-sponsored this very important bill. How can you help? Go to www.congress.gov and under Contact Your Member, type in your address and click on the search icon. Next, you will click on the link for your representative in the House. You will then re-enter your address to confirm. Then you will be able to send an email to your representative asking them for their support and co-sponsorship of this very important bill. If your representative is already a co-sponsor, send an email thanking them and encourage them to bring more representatives along in co-sponsorship. Screening for peripheral arterial disease is vital for saving limbs and saving lives. Join us in this advocacy. Reach out to your representatives for the health of our communities.